So I just moved into a new place and I got to do some home improvements, and I thought I'd try and teach you how to do what I'm doing while I do it. So today I'm going to show you how to screw stuff into drywall. Basically, I've got this curved shower rod.
So I'm showing this on a shower curtain rod, but the same technique can be used for hooks in the wall, towel bars, toilet paper holders, etc.
So we're just going to unscrew this here. This comes undone. So there's just a couple of screws here. Basically nothing. But what you can do, since they're already marked, you can take these little drywall anchors, basically screw it into the same spot.
So the problem with regular screws is drywall is really soft and the threads aren't big enough. So these drywall anchors just have really wide threads to kind of grab. Also, you don't need a drill to put these in. A screwdriver works just fine. Just goes a lot faster with a drill. Once you've got the drywall anchors in, you just screw everything back in, tighten it all up, and you're finished.
That's it. So, I don't know. Put stuff in the walls now. I don't know. So I'm doing some home improvements around the house. Show you what I was doing. Show you. I tried to show you how I was. Why is this? Flippers. Bam! Na 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 na, yeah, check me out. I'm on my